Today we are talking about Sociamonials, a tool that helps you to automate your social media and boost engagement easily. If you post on multiple social media platforms, it can take a lot of time to create content, schedule the posts, and interact with your audience. Sociamonials make this process simple and saves you hours of every week. And the lifetime deal on AppSumo, you got all of this feature without paying monthly fees. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find the useful tools and deals that save your time and money. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the description for the discounted offer link. You don't need to use any coupon code because the discount will be applied automatically when you use the link from our description. Now let's talk about the Sociamonials and why it is very helpful. Managing social media can be hard, especially when you have multiple accounts. Sociamonials allows you to plan your posts in advance, schedule them, and even automate the content sharing. This means your accounts stay active even if you are busy or offline. You can also manage posts for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other platforms all from one dashboard. Another strong feature is the engagement. Sociamonials help you to automatically respond to comments, messages, and interactions from your audience. This keeps your followers happy and active without spending extra time replying manually. You can even create the campaigns for the contest, polls, or quizzes to increase your engagement and attract new followers. Sociamonials also give you the analytics to track your performance. You can see which posts are doing well, which campaigns bring more engagement, and how your audience interact with your content. This helps you to improve your strategy and create posts that your followers like more. The platform is very beginner friendly. You don't need any technical skill or experience with social media automation. Everything is organized in a simple way. So you can start scheduling and automating posts immediately. If you are a small business owner, marketer, or content creator, this is a huge time saver. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal on AppSumo. Social media automation tools usually charge every month and cost can grow when you manage more accounts. But with this lifetime deal on AppSumo, you pay once and you get access to Sociamonials for forever. This is great for anyone who wants the long-term social media growth without worrying about monthly fees. So if you want an easy way to manage your social media to save time and boost engagement, then Sociamonials is a strong choice. It makes scheduling simple, keeps your accounts active, and helps you to interact with your followers automatically. If you want to grab the lifetime deal, you can check the link from the description. When you use our link from the description, the coupon code will be applied automatically. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link from the description. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.